For centuries, the dream of living forever has captivated humanity, but now the prospect of immortality might not lie in ancient rituals or mythical elixirs, but in the realm of modern science. Imagine a world where death is no longer the end, where your essence can live on through countless copies or even in the digital expanse of cyberspace. Today, let's delve into how science might just be making immortality possible by creating copies of ourselves. By creating copies of yourself, theoretically, death becomes irrelevant. Your experiences, memories, and even your consciousness could persist forever. Let's explore 3 ways science could potentially achieve this: cloning, digital mind transfer, and AI immortality. We'll start with cloning. This involves creating genetically identical copies of a person. So, if one copy dies, another continues on, making you, in essence, immortal. But there's a twist. Each copy would inherit all your memories, thoughts, and even personality traits. Imagine having countless versions of yourself living simultaneously, each experiencing life in its own unique way. Next, let's dive into digital mind transfer. Here's the concept. Your brain activity is scanned and then uploaded into a digital space. This digital representation of your mind can then be transferred to different computers or even artificial bodies. It's like having a digital backup of yourself that can be called upon at any time. Finally, we have AI immortality. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it might reach a point where it can create an AI network that represents your consciousness. This network could then be copied and exist across multiple locations, ensuring that your awareness continues indefinitely. These 3 concepts might seem like science fiction, but they're rooted in real scientific possibilities. Cloning is already a reality. Scientists have successfully cloned animals like Dolly, the sheep. While creating a human clone raises many ethical questions, it's not beyond the realm of scientific possibility. Digital mind transfer is also making progress, with brain-computer interfaces becoming more advanced. It might not be long before we can map the human brain in great detail, and AI is developing at a rapid pace. Who knows? In the future, an AI network could truly simulate human consciousness. But there's a catch. All these methods raise more questions than they answer. What does it really mean to be immortal? If you have a billion copies of yourself, which one is the real you? What are the ethical implications of creating copies? These are just some of the mind-bending questions that arise when we consider immortality through the lens of science. It might seem like a distant, futuristic possibility, but the truth is that we're already seeing the building blocks of this concept emerging in today's science and technology. Advances in fields like AI, neuroscience, and biotechnology are blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Brain-computer interfaces, neuroprosthetics, and whole brain emulation are no longer just the stuff of science fiction. They're active areas of research. Companies like Neuralink and research institutions like the Allen Institute for Brain Science are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. They're not just exploring how to read and write data from the brain, but also how to interpret the complexity of neural activity. Even the idea of creating digital copies of human consciousness is starting to take shape. Researchers at the University of Oxford have developed a program called the Digital Mind Avatar, which aims to create a computer simulation of a person's mind based on their behavior and interactions. While we're not quite at the level of uploading human consciousness to a digital space yet, these advancements bring us one step closer to the science of immortality. The concept of creating copies of ourselves isn't just a futuristic fantasy. It's a real possibility that science is bringing within our grasp. But as we reach for this seemingly impossible feat, we must also grapple with its profound ethical, philosophical, and identity-related consequences. If you found this thought experiment intriguing, subscribe to NovaSphere. Our channel delves into the mysteries of the cosmos and the frontiers of scientific possibility. Join us as we continue to explore the limits of our understanding and the endless wonders of the universe. Together, let's keep asking questions, keep seeking answers, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can accomplish. The more we understand, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. So keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring, because the universe never ceases to amaze.